Hello everyone, this is Helen. In the last video, we produced scrambled eggs with tomatoes, a very homely and delicious dish. My family likes this dish very much. It's very delicious with rice, and everyone can learn it. Today, I will make a very nutritious crucian tofu soup, which is suitable for everyone, especially mothers and children. It's rich in high protein and calcium, which can enhance disease resistance, and has a good prolactin effect, which has a good promotion effect on postpartum rehabilitation and milk secretion. Prepare 2 crucian and a piece of tofu. Cut the tofu first, cut it across, and then cross-cut. Prepare a few garlic, sliced ginger, and chopped chives. Cut off the garlic tail. Then, stick the flour to both sides of the fish and place in a plate for later use. Open the stove and pour a thin layer of oil. After the oil is hot, fry the fish. After frying for 2 minutes, turn the pan and fry the fish around. The bottom is already fried. If it's browned, turn the fish over and continue to fry the other side. Now both sides are cooked and put in a plate. Brush the pan clean without oil. Put the fish into the pan directly after the fire. Pour the water. The water should be higher than the fish. Put the tofu, ginger, and garlic. Add a bit of white pepper after the water is boiling to remove the fishy taste. Be sure to put this. It will taste a lot worse if you don't put it. Close the lid and cook on medium heat for 20 minutes. Time's up. Add a spoonful and a half salt. Taste the soup. If you feel it's light, you can put a little more. The animal protein in fish and the vegetable protein in tofu are very good for children's brain development. Cover the lid for another 5 minutes. After this time, the soup is white and thick. Turn off the heat. Put it in a casserole. Sprinkle with the green chives. A nutritious and delicious crucian tofu soup is completed. Every spring, I will make this soup for my children. The calcium supplement is long and everyone loves to drink it. If you can't buy the crucian, you can use other fish instead. Thank you for watching my video, and welcome everyone to subscribe to my channel and leave a message under the video. I will continue to update the food video. See you next time. Bye!